We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this Japanese artist, as well as how to say names of more artists that everyone gets wrong when they say it. So how do you go about pronouncing this? We're going to be looking at how to say it in Japanese and how it is said in English. In Japanese, this is normally pronounced as Kusama Yayoi. Of course, in Japanese you say the surname first. Kusama, Kusama, Kusama. You essentially swallow the U, Kusama, Yayoi. In English, however, this is normally pronounced as Yayoi Kusama, Yayoi Kusama, or in Japanese again, Kusama Yayoi. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on more artist names whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. Get them right once and for all. I'll see you there to learn more.